Second topic in this chapter, operations on matrices. First one is addition of matrices. If matrix A is given of order m by n, second matrix B of order m by n means same order, then we can find addition of two matrices. It implies for addition of two matrices, it is necessary the order of both should be same. And in that situation, the sum of two matrices is defined as a matrix C such that Cij of the order Mn m by n whose value is Aij plus Bij. Aij plus Bij represent addition of corresponding elements of both the matrices. For addition of matrices, first condition, remember, the order of both matrices should be same. If order is same, then you have to add corresponding elements and you will get new matrix which is equal to A plus B. For example, matrix A. Order of matrix A is 2 by 2. Second matrix B. Order of matrix B is again 2 by 2. Since order of matrix A and B both are same, therefore addition of matrices is possible here. And C equal to A plus B, matrix A plus matrix B, add corresponding element, means what is the position of 2 here? A11. A11 means first row, first column. Corresponding means in second matrix also we add the element at the same position, means B11. So 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 7. Corresponding element. 4. 4 means second row, first column. Here second row, first column 23. Corresponding element 4 plus 23 and 5 plus 15. After solving, you will get new matrix C which is equal to A plus B as 7, 4, 27 and 20. That is the addition of matrices. Here one thing you can observe, 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2 both is same. It implies matrix A plus B is same as B plus A. Means properties. The first property you can write, when you have two matrices given, A plus B equal to B plus A. You are finding addition of matrix A plus B or B plus A, result remains same or same result you will get. Associative, if A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C means first you find A plus B, then add matrix C. You will get a new matrix D. In second case, RHS first you find B plus C. After that, add in matrix A. The result remains same. But condition, remember, order of matrix A, B and C remains same. Means same order. Additive identity. Additive identity means that you are going to find a matrix. If we add in A, matrix A remains the same. Usually, you can write 0 matrix. If you add 0 matrix in matrix A, then you will get result as A, means A plus 0 or 0 plus A equal to A. Then matrix. 0 matrix is known as additive identity for matrix addition. Additive inverse means you are going to find a matrix such that A plus A dash or A plus B equal to 0 matrix. If matrix A is given as Aij of order m by n, then second matrix minus A. Minus A means each and every element of matrix A is multiplied by minus 1 of the same order. If we add them A plus minus A or minus A plus A, you will get a 0 matrix of the same order. Here minus A is known as negative of A, or it is known as additive inverse of A. Now next, subtraction of matrix. The same as addition of matrix, means order of matrix should be same. Then we can subtract the matrix from other matrix, and we will write C as A minus B, Aij minus Bij, means you will subtract corresponding elements of second matrix from first matrix. For example, same example, A equal to 2 minus 3 4 5, B equal to 5 7 23 15. Then C as A minus B equal to, subtract corresponding element, 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3. Second, minus 3 minus 7 means 10. Here 4 minus 23 minus 19, and 5 minus 15 minus 10. You are getting a third matrix of the same order, and result you are getting after subtraction of corresponding element of second matrix B from corresponding element of first matrix. Now next, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. If you multiply any matrix by a scalar quantity k, then you can say each and every element of matrix A is multiplied by k. For example, matrix A is given as 2 minus 3 4 5. Then B as k, we can write k into matrix A, means 2 minus 3 4 5. Then multiply each and every element by k, means 2k minus 3k, 4k or 5k. If anyone asks to find the value of 2a, means want to multiply by 2 matrix A, I easily you can write each and every element multiply by 2, means 4 minus 6 8 and 10. In this pattern you can multiply a matrix by a scalar quantity k. Next, which is very important topic in this chapter, multiplication of matrices. If two matrices given and we want to multiply, there are some conditions you have to remember before matrix multiplication. First, to find product AB matrix multiplication, it is possible if and only if number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. If A equal to given of order m by n, here m represent number of rows and n is number of columns, then matrix multiplication is possible if number of rows, means n, is same as number of columns in first into P. First matrix is order of m by n, second matrix is of order m n by P. Here you can observe n and n both remain same. Here in first matrix n represent number of columns, in second matrix n represent number of rows. Then resultant matrix AB you will get a matrix of order m by P. Remove n. Here number of row m, in second number of columns P. Resultant matrix AB you will get as m by P of order m by P. For example, if matrix A is of order 2 by 3, B is of order 3 by 4, then AB you will get a of order 2 by 4. Now question, the process to find the value of Cik means elements of AB. Elements of AB means sum of product of corresponding elements of ith row of A and kth column of B. Just I want to take one example to explain this. Matrix A, order 2 by 3. Element of first row A, B and C. Second row D, E, G. Second matrix B. First row XP, second row YQ and third row ZR. Order is 3 by 2. Here number of columns 3, number of rows 3, both is same. It implies matrix multiplication is possible. And AB you will get as matrix multiplication. First element, first row from first matrix and first column from second matrix. As you can sum of product of corresponding elements of ith row and kth column means what is the position of here? A11. A11 means first row first column. First row from first matrix, first column from second matrix, multiply corresponding elements and add them. Means first row A into X plus second element in first row, second element in first column means B into Y, C into Z. You will get first element of new matrix A. Then first row multiplying second column. So first row second column position is first row, second column is this position. Multiply first row second column A into P plus B into Q plus C into R. To remember the position also you can prepare. Since you are going to multiply first row in second column, first row second column means this is the position of element. Now take second row. Second row first column dx plus ey plus dz. Second row second column here dp plus eq plus gr. And resultant matrix is of order 2 by 2 because 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Resultant matrix of order 2 by 2. More practice required on matrix multiplication. Matrix A given, B given. Order of A is 2 by 3, 3 by 3. Here number of column, number of rows is same. It implies matrix multiplication is possible. Now AB, first matrix, second written. In resultant, first row multiply in first column, you will get first element. First row in first column, so minus 2 into 6 plus 7 into 8 plus 10 into minus 7. Then remains on first row. First row second column multiply, you are getting second element. Again first row third column minus 2 into 3 plus 7 into minus 5 plus 10 into 9. Now next step, second row first column 5 into 6 plus 0 into 8 plus minus 1 into minus 7. Second row second column 5 into 1 plus 0 into 4 plus minus 1 into 2. Second row third column, second row third column 5 into 3, 0 into minus 5 plus minus 1 into 9. Further simplify, minus 12 plus 56 minus 70, minus 2 plus 14 plus 20, and here minus 6 minus 35 plus 90. The second row elements are 30 plus 0 plus 7, 5 plus 0 minus 2, 15 plus 0 minus 9. Further simplify, you will get minus 26, 32, 49, 37, 3 and 6. I hope steps are clear here for matrix. Now just check. It is possible to find BA. To find BA, you can observe here 3 into 3 and A is 2 into 3. The number of columns in B is not same as number of rows in A. Therefore, B into A is not possible. Now next, property of matrix multiplication. If A and B are two matrices, then AB not equal to B. You will get both two different matrices if matrix multiplication is possible. Associative law. For three matrices, if matrix multiplication is possible, then AB into C is same as A into BC. Distributive law. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. You can verify the result. Or A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. It is known as distributive law. Whenever both sides of equality are defined. Multiplicative identity. For a B square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix of same order such that I into A equal to A into I equal to A. If any matrix A is given of a square matrix, they have same order, you can write identity matrix. And if you multiply I into A or A into I, you will get same as matrix A. Then I is known as identity or multiplicative identity for a square matrix A. Some questions for practice. Question 1. Matrix A is given 2, 3, 1, minus 4. B is given as 1, minus 2, minus 1, 3. Order of matrix A is 2 by 2. Order of matrix B 2 by 2. It implies matrix multiplication is possible. You have to find the value of AB plus BA. First, you have to find matrix multiplication AB, then BA, then add them. Second question, matrix A is given, matrix B given. Again, you have to find the value of AB and BA. And in third question, three matrices given ABC. Find CA minus AB. First, you find C into A. Order of matrix A is 2 by 2. Order of matrix B 2 by 2. And C is 2 by 2. You have to find the value of CA. Then find the value of AB and subtract. In this process, you can complete these three questions and give the answer.